This week's shows are going to be brought to you by Amber Lolli, a really great product. I encourage you guys to go check it out. AmberLolli.com. Link is down below in the description.
Hey, look, I want to talk about this Amber Lolli product again. Whenever something good comes along, I do want to talk about this. My neck, I had a kink in my neck from hell, and the pain it gets to the point where you get headaches. So I just grabbed the cream and I rubbed that crap on the back of my neck. After a while, you don't even realize that the pain is gone. You're just going, and how we are several hours later, and there's no pain. And it works really quick. I like that. So joint pain and muscles, sore muscles, nice. And then here's the thing about me. I get offered all the time. People want to come on, they want to be sponsors, they want to be this. My thing is, if I don't use your product, I'm not interested. You know, I could sell out everything and make a ton of money, but no, my subscribers to me are very important. But this product here, absolutely, I'm going to endorse this. I like it a lot. AmberLolli.com.
Welcome to Pimpy's Investment Chat, where we keep investment talk simple. And here's your host, Pimpy.
What is going on out there, peeps? All right, as we get into the holidays, some of the investments out there have gone pretty stagnant, which is normal. Remember, I showed you the charts. When we started getting around the holiday seasons, the fall, you usually see cryptos as well as gold and silver dip down. But halfway through December or towards the end of December, both start to take off all over again. So what does this mean? You should be buying on a dip. But it makes it kind of hard when you're out there running around buying Christmas presents for everybody when you have the money. But like I said, you guys, use discretionary funds. Even if it's a little bit at a time, you'd be surprised. It'd add up. I have people buying ounces of silver 1 ounce at a time, every paycheck. You know, in the beginning, it starts off slow, but after a while, you start to notice that your stack looks pretty tall. So that's how you do these types of investments. All right, so don't give up hope. It's the holidays. Whenever somebody says, what do you want for Christmas? Silver. Before we get started, hit the thumbs up button, because when you do, it helps us get past the algorithm that YouTube puts on us and keeps us from being shadow banned. If you're not a subscriber, please do so, because when you do, it helps out the channel, and I surely do appreciate it. The disclaimer here is I'm not a financial advisor, a lawyer, or an accountant. The information that I share with you, I do freely. It is of my own opinion. Hey folks, just a quick reminder that back in 2008 and 9, a lot of people lost all of their retirement savings in their 401ks and IRAs because they did not own gold and silver. Yeah, that's right, gold and silver protects you from a market crash. So do yourself a favor, protect your retirement by purchasing gold and silver. You can go to moneymetals.com, reach out to them, and they will help you set yourself up to protect you and your family from having to start all over from scratch. If you're a first-time buyer and you spend more than $100, use promo code Pimpy, P-I-M-P-Y, and they will send along with your order a free half ounce of silver. So folks, do yourself a favor, head on over to moneymetals.com and protect you and your family from a market crash, as well as inflation. That's right, head on over to Money Metals when you want to buy gold and silver. Keep in mind, if you're a first-time buyer and you spend more than $100, use promo code Pimpy, P-I-M-P-Y, and you will get a free half ounce of silver. Hey, right now, a special offer for my audiences only. You have a chance to win 100 free American Silver Eagles. That's over $3,000 in value. And all you have to do is enter your email to win. That's it. That's right, there's no obligations to purchase. The link is down below in the description, so head on over there, enter to win. You have between now and December 31st of this year to enter. The only way you can for sure not win 100 silver American Eagles is by not entering at all. So do yourself a favor and enter your email so you have a chance to win. Okay, quick look at the market. We started to see gold go down a little bit. Looks like it's rebounding. Still sitting around that 1780 mark. At least it's $20 higher than where it was sitting, around 1760. Silver at $22.40. It keeps trying to get above $23 again. Sitting around the same places where they have been now for a few months. They've just been kind of stagnant, teetering around the same areas. I still have faith that gold and silver will jump up towards the end of the month. Let's see if I'm right. I got gold at between $2,000 and $2,200, and silver somewhere between $28 and $30. That's going to be the tough one right there. Bitcoin, not sure what it wants to do. At least it's up $1,500. So not too bad, but it's at $50,511. Ethereum's at $4,336. We got Solana at $193. You got Cardano at $1.42. Everybody's favorite New World Order coin at 82 cents. Polkadot at $28. Luna is another one that you should kind of keep an eye on. Doge is up to almost 18 cents. Go Doge. Still hanging around about the same place, 4037s, Shiba coin that is. But it's starting to rebound a little bit. I told you guys there seems to be attacks against Shiba and Satoma. It looks like the crypto establishment has purposely been going out of its way to attack Shiba and Satoma. I said that on another video. I was slightly joking, but the more I see of what's going on, the more I really believe there is some kind of attack against Shiba and Satoma. There's articles being written to slam them. It's one thing if people share their opinions, but it looks like they're purposely being attacked. I think what it is, people don't like the fact that you have meme coins making people rich, and these things don't have any real use cases as far as they're concerned. But that's changing. Shiba's starting to get some use cases, especially Satoma. So, yeah, very interesting. But it's up 5.77% today. So if you look at the 52-week average, Bitcoin is slightly above the halfway mark. Ethereum still, no matter what, it's still always right around near the top. Solana just above the 50% mark. Cardano just below the 50% mark. XRP underperforming as usual. Polkadot just close to the halfway, around the 50% mark. See, for silver, ever since halfway through November, the coin has been going down. It's down about $3 altogether after we saw it go up from the end of September, going up $3. I still stick to my guns. This is normal this time of the year, especially around the holidays. I still got silver between $28 and $30 by the end of December. Let's see if I'm right. As you can see, gold started to rebound. It started to go up again. Look at it. It got up into the 1800s and then was brought down. Look at this drop. I mean, this is November the 19th, and then whoosh, it just came on down here. I stick to my guns on gold. I still think gold will be somewhere between 2,000 and 2,200 by the end of the year. It's up 2.5% today. I know both gold and silver are boring. I get it, but it's the kind of boring I like. Satoma at 7045 is down a little bit. In the past hour, it's up 2.1%. Over the past 24 hours, down 3.7%. The past 7 days is down 35.5%. Over the last 14 days, it's up almost 0.5%, but over the past 30 days, it's down 51.6%. This graph just looks wicked. They have seen a lot of people dumping. You can see here, there's a dump here, a dump here. Satoma, like I said, was affected by the hack. I think they took somewhere in the neighborhood of about 600 trillion of these coins, which if you were holding on to Satoma, you benefited because the reflections picked up on it. And somewhere around, I think Satoma and Shiba are close to about 51% burn on their overall. Is that what it was? Or is that Shiba? So Satoma, I'm not panicked. Look at here. They're going through their audit. The audit's in progress. You can see right here. The project reviewing is 55% complete. As soon as the audit's done, then you'll see it launch. So when I looked at this the other day, it was at 5%. So it's moving. And this is what everybody's waiting for. See the Sata mask? Once Satoma launches that, then the coin's going to take off because it's going to be easy for everybody to get. So right now is a good time to jump on it if you have the discretionary funds. Okay, so yeah, I don't give up on Satoma. Once Sata mask comes out, they're going to have a nice platform. Looking at our Metaverse tokens, looky here, Velocity. It's up 29.93%, but it's half of where it was. It's at 4 cents going on 5 cents. Ever since the hacks, that big hack in cryptocurrencies, a lot of cryptos dropped big time. And they don't seem to be recovering very quickly. I think, again, there's a lot of reason why people are skeptical, especially when you see something that big. That kind of hack that big will send shockwaves. So over the past 24 hours, trading is up 19.8% overall. Look who the big performers are. Rossi's up 29.93%. Seek is up 30.83%. Sushi Swap's up 23.92. UFO Game is up 19.38. If you're trying to pinpoint which ones to jump on all the time, it's hard to do. Engine Coin is here. I've been learning more and more about these coins independently. And the more I learn, I'll try to bring the information over to you and why some of these you might like. Sandbox is definitely one you want to get. Decentraland is definitely one you want to get. Xfinity is the other one you want to get. Livium is definitely one you want to get. So here's Axios Infinity. That's one you want to get. So, and the reason is each one has their own unique place inside the metaverse, and their functions are big time. So as that continues to grow, you will see those tokens grow, in my opinion, unless, Facebook to squash Metaverse. Is that right? Says Axios Infinity co-founder. Now, again, this is just his opinion, but isn't Facebook the one that launched out the Metaverse? Maybe I'm wrong. Jeffrey Zerlin, Axie Infinity co-founder, said a battle over the future of the internet was underway following Facebook's rebrand of Meta. The co-founder of the NFT-based online game made his feelings known about Facebook during the crypto gaming panel at the NFT BZL conference. While Facebook CEO Mark Zuckerberg insisted that his mission would be to be Metaverse first, not Facebook first, there are those who question his intentions and believe he has ulterior motives regarding the rebrand. At the conference, Zerlin initially joked that Meta copied Axie Infinity logo, but then spoke on the future of the internet and discussed his positively about Axie future. Okay, that's definitely something needed to do an edit of that. What it should said is the future of the internet and discuss positively about Axie Infinity or Axie's future. I think we are entering in the battle of the future of the internet, but I think that we have a lot of trends on our side. We're starting to see the grassroots internet community have incredible power in the physical world as well. Axie Infinity has been described as the perfect bridge between the physical world and the metaverse. And Zerlin said Facebook was threatened by this and will look to rival decentralized companies. See, when you're a centralized crypto, there's the ability to interfere too much with the markets, go in there and do a lot of censoring, there's too much control there. Decentralized platforms are better. Nobody controls them. The stakes are going to get larger and larger, and we're going to face more powerful enemies, he said. Okay, just to hear that's kind of scary, to be quite honest, considering everything that's going on. They're going to try to squash this beautiful thing that we've built because it threatens them. It threatens their business model, their way of life, and their philosophy. That's pretty dang deep if you think about it, especially with everything we got going on with this whole great reset. Axie Infinity is one of those cryptos on the metaverse that I was talking about. Now, this is something I mentioned quite a few times. As much as I say, hey, you should diversify your portfolio. I always tell people to be careful. This is one of the things I say to be careful about when it comes to crypto. My whole goal in cryptocurrencies, get my accounts up where I think they're reasonable, take the profits and put them right into gold and silver. That's going to be my goal all the time. Now, I won't take out 100% of my tokens, but it just depends on how much I see in profits, I'm not going to leave them in there and then all of a sudden lose the profits and then I gain nothing. As they continue to grow, I'll take out a little bit at a time and just invest it into gold and silver, which is the most secure investment you can have. When it comes to cryptocurrency, financial advisor Ryan Payne agreed with billionaire Charles Munger when he said the era is even crazier than the dot-com era. Remember, I told everybody there's a lot of bubbles out there I expect to crash: the real estate bubble, the stock bubble, the bond bubble, and the crypto bubble. The whole Bitcoin thing, the whole cryptocurrency thing is one of the biggest bubbles ever, Payne. The president of Payne's Capital told Yahoo. I do think the bubble is eventually going to burst. It's going to be ugly. The global crypto market is somewhere over $2 trillion. When the dot-com bubble burst, those dot-com stocks were worth like $500 million. Inflation adjusted, like $1 trillion in today's dollars. Most of those stocks became worthless. And I expect the same thing to happen. that cryptos are going to crash, but only a handful of them are going to be standing when this is all said and done. Bitcoin, Ethereum for sure. So anyways, I just want to bring that to your attention. All right, you guys, hit the thumbs up button. If you're not a subscriber, please do so, because when you do, to help out the channel, and I surely do appreciate it. And I'll catch you later. I'm out.